Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In this video, we will explore the vast array of ready-to-use official teaching tools provided by Cambridge Assessment International Education. So let's explore. So you can see here, this is online learning dashboard of Cambridge Assessment International Education. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. There are a lot of tools available which are really useful for daily teaching. There is no login required and these tools are completely free. Let's try a couple of tools. Let me start with very famous one, Think, Pair, Share. So you need to just click on. So you can see here there is one question: to what extent do you agree with the proposal? You can edit this question and you can perform Think, Pair, Share activity. You can also change the background image and you can export this activity as well. Let's try activity dice. All of the tools are editable. You can just change your questions and you can try these. It's really amazing and ideal for starter or plenary activities. There is a timeliner, shape generator, magnetic words, scratch away, drag and match, true false. There are a lot of useful tools available here. So if you click on teaching tools here, you can see there are a lot of tools which are extremely useful in daily teaching, such as name spinners, drag and drop, question spinner, swipe, starter selector, and so on. So it's very user friendly, very easy to use. I tried and found it's very fruitful. So please try these tools and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.